welcome to MS Live. And I have my next guest in the studio. We're going to talk more about his music journey and future plans. We are going to dive deep into it. And I have my brother Quamina Mp in the studio, broski. How you doing, Charlie?
I'm cool, and I'll say.
Broski,
Sharp.
I love your drip, bro.
Thank you very much.
You know one thing? I love your swag. I love your identity, how you carry yourself, your aura. And one thing is that right now, it's not just about the music. Fans pay attention to demeanor.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so how do you let fans know that, or consumers know that you are fully ready or consciously ready for the job?
How do I let them know?
Yeah.
Okay, so one thing about me that I know is like I like to stay true to myself. You understand? So what they see, that's what they get. I don't like to like force.
Okay.
Yeah, I just like to keep it real, keep it classic, keep it dope. You understand? Yeah, Charlie.
Bro, you are just killing it, bro. I just love your package, everything, bro.
Up, my brother.
It's on a different level.
It's
on a different level. But, bro, through your journey, I started paying attention to your music since 2018. So if I should say, it's been like almost 7 years now. Hey. But how long have you been doing it professionally?
Professionally, that'd be
2018.
From 2018, yeah.
That's where I started paying attention to Quamina Mp.
2018.
Okay.
Wait, so 7 years come?
Yeah, 7 years, bro.
Hey.
It's getting to a decade.
That's crazy.
Yeah. So what's one of the things you have learned and unlearned through your journey? Through these 8 years?
What I have learned is one thing say it's not always like this. Like
okay.
It should be like that.
There are obstacles.
Yeah. And then I say like it's almost the same as like life in general. That be how life they. You understand? Yeah. Sometimes they go hard, sometimes they go like sometimes they hit you. Sometimes you see, you understand. So the music thing, I don't take it away from my normal life. I feel like it's a whole thing where they part of me, you understand?
Okay.
Yeah, I feel like it's just my life. Yeah, me sorry na pa me tie nyom, me bo beats, me to nyom. So it's not a different thing, it's just like a general thing we at the face, you understand? Yeah, so I've actually learned a lot. I've made mistakes. I've grown from some things, how they sing, how they rap, my type of songs I they listen to, production-wise, like, yeah.
So in general, there's been maturity. In your sound.
Yes, sir.
And your sound has evolved.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's very beautiful. I like it. The maturity, because all of us, we like to learn, to grow and evolve. Yeah. As far as you stay on track or stay on the job. Yeah. That's what everybody wish for. If you wish not to grow, that means I don't know the kind of person you are, but everybody wants to grow along the way. That's very beautiful. But one thing I want to know from Quamina Mp, do you think you have arrived? You have gotten to your peak after doing this for 8 years?
No, I haven't arrived.
What make you feel that way?
I feel kind of shots here, you understand? Because like where we want to go with this music thing, where we want to be in life, I haven't seen it yet.
Okay.
Yeah, the things I want to achieve, I don't achieve them yet. I mean, from the beginning, it was just like, I just wanted my song to be heard, the whole Ghana, per se. Yes, I want my parents to see me on TV and then be proud of me. I want to be able to feed my family. I want to be able to like have my own place to stay. I want to be comfortable. Initially, that was
the plan.
Yeah, but like as time they go on at the CC, there's more to it. You understand? Right now, my goals change.
Okay.
You understand? So we're on the right now, no rich.
Okay.
Trust me, yeah. Right now, I even feel like I haven't even got to my breakthrough song yet.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, bro. Trust me.
After the song with Sister Fia Weather and
I know blue.
Beji amount for girls with medical and things.
Yeah. We are on rich. I know. Now we are start.
now where you start.
Yeah, I finish I shall go.
I
finish I shall.
Okay, nice. You said you have not gotten to your peak, and I like it. I love it when artists love to challenge themselves.
Yes, sir.
That's one thing everybody wish for.
Yes, sir.
But financially, have you gotten enough money through music?
What's enough?
Like you being
everybody
comfortable.
enough be different. Me like this, I no go lie. Big thanks to Quamina Mp, like, because I used to sleep in the studio. I used to like sleep on the floor. I used to like, I don't get food where they chop. I dey hung and all that. I tire me saying that. But now, all these things will be something where they bother me anymore. You understand? Yeah. So for where I did right now, I am so grateful. Trust me. Yeah. Like I'll be very, very grateful. I'm good for now.
Good. For now, you're good for now.
Yeah,
okay.
but well,
where you want rich, you know,
yeah.
you're still working towards it. Okay, bro, that's very nice.
Yes,
I know you are very cool with your family. I'm talking about Kwesi Arthur and Kofi Mole. You're very cool with them. Those people are your broskis. You roll with them everywhere you go. And I know you guys were supposed to team up to form, let me say, a duo or a group. Kanko. And you dropped first single. I don't know what happened. Bro, what is going on? Should we still expect Kanko worldwide?
Oh, yeah. Kanko, we still there, like with the dude songs. We're actually supposed to like drop an album.
It's been 2 years now.
We have too many songs. We actually did a compilation. Like I said, they decided when to put it out and how are we doing it.
Okay.
That's the stage where we've gotten to right now. But the problem is, see everybody today doing turn. So who to stand out of everybody where would they made they'll talk say, okay, I'm taking these decisions for you guys since you guys have other stuff to do. That'd be the problem right now.
Okay.
Because I they do my thing. Mole they doing thing, Kwesi they doing thing. So who is coming out to be like, oh Charlie, what's up? And drop here. And then even if you do, you need to make sure everybody's timeline is like favorable to, you know. You understand what I talk? Okay. Yeah, so that has been the issue with Kanko. Back and forth. Like, okay, then we see and drop a single. Me, there's this particular song where I won't make me drop. I won't make me drop that song.
What's the title of the song?
Rotate.
Rotate.
Yeah, but
can you give us a little bit?
Dabi.
Bro, why?
Surprise.
Why can't you give a best?
Surprise.
Exclusive.
Oh yeah. There's Rotate, there's Woyo, there's Let Me Down.
Let Me Down.
Yeah, I love that song.
I love the title though.
It'd be crazy. Songs
is it about a woman or something?
Oh yeah, the Let Me Down there. It'd be about
Charlie. And the three of you is going to be mad. Me,
Mole, Twitch, Kwesi Arthur. Then they on the track.
They on the track, man, bro. Don't let me down. Yeah, Charlie, don't let us down, bro. We are very loyal and faithful guys. Yeah.
Yeah. So it will come, of course. It will come.
Soon.
Yeah. Okay. We just look for the right time.
Right time. So it drops. Okay. So Quamina, I know you have said on a lot of platforms that you were not signed to Ground Up. So what was your affiliation with Ground Up?
Oh, no man in Crawford. It's just like so. Ground Up, I was supposed to be a producer for Ground Up. That's how we met. Like, okay, producer, come to the studio. And we bought Minium, and then they were like, yo, Charlie, your song is good.
Do you remember the first song you recorded or played for them in the studio?
Yeah, I was playing like a couple of songs, and then I played with Asia there.
And then that means you have recorded that song long time ago.
I recorded that song before. I had there was like an original version.
Okay.
So I played with Asia there, and then they wanted us to do a remix. Kwesi Arthur was interested in it. So that is when they got to know, so me, myself, I'll be artists. Yeah. So that'd be how it starts. And then they wanted to invest in my They shot a video for me. They did like radio, TV, took care of all of that. And then so it was like a platform. Okay. They were introducing me to the people.
But generally, what was it about? Because I still want to get for them to shoot a video for you, for them to invest, that means they liked your craft. Yeah. So what was it about? I just want to understand. I want to get a vivid picture.
So it's just like, okay, you are selling a product. We want to invest in a product. And then if at the end of the day, the outcome will come, we go share 'em.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you guys will
it's
split
just like,
it.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. But like we never did anything like for paper top. It was just like an agreement. It's like, okay, cool, and then yeah.
Okay. So the song was big. It was all over the place.
Yes, sir.
Did you guys come back to it that okay, right now we have made a lot of profit from this song? Commercially, the song is big. You have been on a lot of platforms to perform. That means there's a little bit moolah.
Yeah.
Did you benefited from it?
Oh yeah. Oh, like I know they. Last year they introduced me to the Ghana market.
That means you benefit.
Yeah. Yeah. Like I know they, trust me. Even through last year I was able to rent my own space.
Okay.
Yeah. A lot happened from last year there.
There.
I was able to send money back to my parents. So.
Nice one.
Yeah.
I really like it. I really like that.
Yeah,
Means that was where everything started for you.
Yeah, bro.
Everything started for Quamina Mp. Quamina, let's get into your new album, Love in the Club.
Yeah, man.
Okay. But first and foremost, do you believe in love?
Yeah. I strongly believe in love.
Okay, so
200%.
What is your definition of love?
Love. Oh, my definition
In your
of
perspective.
love. Me, I feel say, if you say you love somebody, or if you find yourself saying that you're in love, it should come with a lot of things like sacrifices. Come with like how you they care about the person, how you they see the person, respect. Yeah, like all of that.
Okay.
You see, it be plenty things.
Plenty things.
Together where they make you yourself the feel say, how I feel around this person is
Person.
different from how I feel around these people.
People.
You understand? Yeah. The only thing we say, maybe sometimes you might not know if it's real or
it's not real.
You understand?
But
yeah.
have you been in love before?
Yes, so many times, bro. Yeah, come 69 times.
In and out for how many times?
69 times.
69 times.
Yeah, bro.
Hey, where they 69, bro?
Yeah, Charlie.
Okay.
Yeah, I've been in love a couple of times, bro.
But do you think it's possible to find love in the club?
Do you think it's possible?
I know.
I've experienced
introvert.
it. I've experienced it. That's why I had to. That's why they align with my album.
But okay.
And then the fact that people don't believe in like finding love in a club, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, I feel like I know it's possible. I did. Yeah. No matter how, like however it be, if you find yourself in that position, you never know. Maybe now I bought and I own the panel, and then it started. By the end of the day, it's making sense for you. Maybe now we need that. So maybe something just happened with you.
Okay.
So it's possible. Trust me. You can find love anywhere.
Can find love anywhere.
Yeah.
As I said earlier on, you have been doing this for 8 years, and during that period, you never dropped body of work.
Yeah.
So why did it take you that long to drop this album at this particular time?
So I was supposed to drop this project, my first album, in 2020.
2020, COVID time.
Yeah, around that time. It was right after COVID. Right? Yeah. I think that time when I said, in your man started you're cool. So it was around that time I was supposed to drop the album, but I had an accident. I lost my dad. So
sorry,
plans,
bro. Our condolences, man.
Yeah, bless up. So the plans just switched. So 2021, I was still healing. 2022, I started thinking about the album again. Okay, make a drop on. Okay, now we are looking for like who to distribute and then put plans together and all of that. Moving forward, 2023, 2024, it's like, nah, bro, this is taking too long. I say, we are looking for something particularly.
Okay.
And now because we haven't gotten it, we're like, let's hold on. But Charlie, I'm recording every time, every day.
But so what were you looking for?
What was I looking for? Oh, so I personally didn't just want it to be about like drop the song and then do what you can do type thing.
Okay.
Yeah, it was just plan. I was just looking for like the right plan to be able to like, So if that right plan came to me, say, okay, this is it. So that be the move, you understand? But I wasn't getting that thing that they look for. But I was like, nah, I can't keep waiting. The people need to hear what we did do for studio.
The fans are hungry.
You understand? So I put it together. I was supposed to release like 20 songs on the album, but my management cut them down to 15. Me and them, we still the beef about that. But yeah. But right now, Charlie, we have the deluxe version.
It's out. Okay.
Get a deluxe version coming. So the other ones way.
Okay.
The other ones will not come. They're still coming. So yeah, you guys should watch out for that one as
18 songs. Solid.
15.
15 songs.
Yeah.
How many songs did you produce on this album?
9 songs.
9 songs?
Yeah. I produced Oshe. I produced Sharifa. I produced Medusa. I produced but like yeah. I produced track 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11.
Okay.
Yeah. Charlie, made me a beast though.
Beast.
I'm so talented.
Bro. So producing and making music, which one do you love the most?
I feel like it comes together like as one body for me, you understand? So like I don't go take them away from the recording.
Okay. So what do you enjoy doing the most? Let me rephrase it. Which of them do you enjoy doing the most?
Yeah, like I said, it's not two different things, it's together. Okay. So
I feel like love is different from joy.
Love is different from joy, yes. Yes.
You can love both of them. But which of them do you enjoy? You always have fun with it.
Joy, first of all. You know, so sometimes if you don't get joy, you don't go feel love. You understand? Yeah. Sometimes if you don't get joy, you don't go feel love. No. And then sometimes you need to love something to be able to enjoy it, to have joy in it.
But at times you have to do something. But probably you might not love the thing, but you have to do it. And this has to be.
But that one, you don't go have joy in doing it. You are doing it because they're asking you to do it. So you just have to get it done.
Like an example, you love that. You wanted 20 songs to be on the album. But your team told you, no, we want 15 songs to be on the album. That means you have to go with the flow. But you would have loved.
I would have loved to have
20 songs.
But I love the 15 songs that I put on there. I don't know if you understand.
You're just trying to find a way. But that's cool, bro. That's cool.
No, but for real though, like if you don't love it, you won't have joy in doing it. Or you just go do them and enjoy. All right. You understand?
But I know people do something they don't.
Actually, but I'm saying this because like I start like normally, if I'm making music, I start by creating the beat. Maybe I come sit, I don't even get any idea. But I come sit behind the computer, I start put melodies, and then I start getting things to say on the beats that I'm producing. Okay. So remember beats in the baby, you know. Now my young no create, I just have to like record it.
So that's your structure making music?
Normally, like often. Okay. Yeah. All these songs that I produced, the 9 songs, most of them, that is how, oh, Charlie, me record it today. Okay, you know what? Let me do something. Sit behind the computer. Maybe beats in the baby. At least I would have like the chorus and the first verse.
Okay.
I go run and put down. So I enjoy the whole process. Like it's a whole process for me. Like, do you understand? Yeah.
One thing
somebody go send me beats. I go record them. But I enjoy them more if I do the beats, the process.
Okay.
All together to record a song. Okay. Yeah.
That's cool. That means you producing or recording, you enjoy doing it.
Yes.
Guys, you heard it from Quamina Mp. That means you enjoy producing. Okay. Yeah. So, MP, I want to know what runs through your mind that this person fits this song. What runs through your mind that okay, this song that you have made, this person would be better on the song.
So normally it depends on the person's style. Sometimes I listen to, if I record a song, I hear say no. Maybe I hear pa 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 pa. Means say I for work on getting pa 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 pa. If I did, I did hear obey voice or I did hear medical, cause see Stone Boy. That be what I go for. Sometimes I did hear say, I need to have gun in this.
Okay.
If I need to link up to somebody like Tiny or somebody, I go link up.
Yep.
Yeah. If I feel say, okay, this thing, if I say it in my voice, it will be nice. I will say the gun in my voice.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's part of the process.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, bro, I saw you in New York, in AudioMark headquarters.
Yeah.
Is there something you guys are cooking that we should look out for?
Okay, so I went to AudioMark just to visit and then see the place, see how they run things there and all of that. But at the end of the day, we had conversations and we are trying to work on something. So, time this one, yeah, you people go fill them. Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So, Quamina, on X, a post, someone said we should ask you,
Okay.
why did you name the album Love in the Club?
Okay. So, love in a club because, first of all, I found love in a club.
Okay.
Secondly, the album has like a lot of love songs on it. You know, almost every song is a love song. And then there are love songs that can be played in a club that you can still like jump to.
To it.
You understand? Yeah, so all these things coming together, like it's just making sense. Okay, I call club I fall it.
Yeah.
And my album also is having that way. If you really take a very good listen at the album, right? Every song has like some type of story. Which here like it follow up. Oh, me share girl. Okay, me feeling me horror right now. Okay, my core club, me share girl, me feeling no. Me person me dog. Okay, oh maybe I want my core. Why BB I have me sometime. It follow up.
Okay.
Like that.
So Quamina Mp, I hope you're okay with the answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bro, so the deluxe, when should we expect it? And how many songs are going to be on it? You said 5 songs.
Yeah.
Okay, features.
Yeah, we are adding 5 songs. There's Olive the Boy, there's Trap, Beast Trap, and maybe one more feature. But it's like 5 songs coming.
But I think you need to get Sinner Soul.
Yeah.
Try, my brother. Try.
We actually talked about it. I'm trying to get Sinner Soul. So the thing is, say, I have this reggae song, right, that I wanted to put Sinner Soul on it. But in your name, person made a count. I said, "You need na I am there. Which one?"
Okay.
Yeah, but we are still going back and forth with that.
Okay.
I can't start that particular song. We are going to put
okay.
On.
But it seems you have not dropped any video yet of the project.
Not yet.
Why is it taking that long?
So I think right now the plan be say after dropping the deluxe, then I would start dropping the videos as well. The deluxe will come like probably next month. Or even the end of this month, Seth. Because the songs are ready. Mancha is done with mixing and mastering. So.
Okay, bro. So before you leave,
yes, sir.
We saw you in the club with Molly, bro. Is there any song we should look out for with Quamina Mp and Molly?
Oh yeah. So me and Molly, we have the song, and yeah, it will definitely come out like very very soon.
Very soon.
Yeah. So I think the video you saw, we were performing the song. She was having this listening session in New York.
Okay.
And then we were playing like unreleased songs. So that was one of the songs that she played, and then we performed.
So is it your song or her song?
Oh, we don't know.
You don't know yet, but it's you produced the song. Who produced the song?
DJ Breezy.
DJ Breezy.
The song.
Okay.
It's a banger.
So guys, fingers crossed. Quamina Mp and Molly, we are just looking out for it. Bro, your last words before.
My last words, Charlie. You there. Thanks for supporting us from day one. Thanks for giving us your time. You watch me there right now. My album is out, Love in a Club, 15 songs. Go stream that. Hey, come back, be back. Go. I can't say what TV say. Go and stream Love in a Club, 15 songs. Share it to your people, let them listen. Okay. Bye bye. Deluxe, they come. Stay tuned. Keep supporting. Love you, Charlie.
Okay, so bro, social media handle.
Yeah, Quamina Mp _ for everywhere. Baby, I could be so follow me. You go fit DM me. If I see him, I go reply. You understand? But I could see album, you know.
Yeah.
One of the best albums in the whole world right now. go and listen to the album.
Yeah. Broski,
Yeah.
Charlie, that's my brother, Quamina Mp. Charlie Love in the Club. It's out on all streaming platforms. Guys, go around the Numbers app. For my brother, guys, stay tuned. We'll be back in a bit.
Yeah, okay.